In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit. Custom fields are a great way to store extra information about your subscribers beyond just their name and email. Things like their company, birthday, or any other detail that matters to your business can live in these fields. Once they're set up, you can use them for personalization, segmentation, and more targeted email content. Let's walk through the process step by step so you feel confident doing this yourself. First, log into your Kit account and head to the main dashboard. From there, look for the Grow section in your top navigation. Click on Grow and then choose Subscribers. This is where you'll see a list of all the people on your email list, along with some basic information about each one. Next, select any individual subscriber from that list. It doesn't matter which one you pick, because when you create a new custom field for one subscriber, that field becomes available for all subscribers in your account. Go ahead and click on a subscriber's name to open their profile. On the subscriber's profile page, scroll down through their details until you reach the bottom of the information area. There, you'll see an option that says Add a new field. Click on that. This is where you'll actually create your custom field. You'll be prompted to type a field name. This is the label that will appear throughout your account, so choose something clear and specific. For example, you might type company if you want to store where they work, or birthday if you'd like to send special messages on their birthday. Think about how you'll use this information later, because a consistent naming structure will save you time and confusion. After you've named the field, you'll see a space to enter a value for this specific subscriber. This part is optional. You can go ahead and fill it in now, or you can leave it blank and come back later to update it. For instance, if you created a company field and you know this subscriber's company, you can type it in here. When you're done, scroll down and click on Update Subscriber. This saves both the new field and any value you entered for that particular person. From now on, that field will be available for all subscribers, and you can start using it in forms, segments, and email personalization.